Hello. Good morning, Miss Guaman. Glad to meet you, Miss. My name is Luis Carlos. My surname is Muro Minguillo. I love so much my parents. The name of my father is Manuel, and my mother is Violeta. I have 20 years old. I'm of Ferreñafe City, the beautiful city. I study civil engineer. Miss, I tell you what I like. My favorite sport is football. I like it. My favorite country is Italy. And my favorite number is 7. Miss, I hope you like my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.